Hi guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to Just Sophia. So guys, in our last video we talked about how to get started as a freelance writer. Today's video is about where to get freelance writing work. Guys, welcome to Just Sophia. My name is Judith. I am a freelance writer. This is what I have been doing for the last 6 years. This is what feeds me. This is where I get money to take my children to school. This is basically what keeps me in Nairobi. Yes, I love it here and I thank God for it. So now, if making money online or personal finance videos are your kind of content, please consider subscribing to this channel. Click the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. So let's get started. So the first place where you can find freelance writing work, guys, is a platform called Upwork. Of course, it had to be number one. It is one of the largest marketplaces with millions of clients and millions of freelancers, which means also that millions of jobs are posted on this platform each and every month. So guys, getting started on Upwork is a bit difficult, I have to warn you. You have to first create a profile, make sure that your profile is complete, and then start bidding. Now that is the most difficult part. You have to bid and wait for the client to come to you or choose you as the preferred writer. But now I can assure you that with time, as you continue working, because now another thing is that before someone hires you, they have to have proof that you will complete the assignment as per requested. So that is why you might find it hard to get started on Upwork. But once you get your footing, things will start getting better. I can assure you, because now this is one of the platforms that I have earned the most since I started my freelancing journey. Also, once you reach a higher level, once you have worked on the site for so long, it is actually the clients who will start looking for you. You'll start getting those offers, and your work will just be to accept or decline. Isn't that a good thing? Yeah. So that is it about Upwork. I hope you can check it out, create a profile, and get started. So the next platform, guys, is freelancer.com. Just like Upwork, you'll have to create a profile on this platform. Go to freelancer.com, create a profile, and then start bidding. Even here, you have to bid for you to be able to get those jobs. So now, one disadvantage of both Upwork and freelancer.com is that they charge you a fee. Yes. Like on Upwork, you'll have to part with 20% of your earnings. That goes to the platform. But now, according to me, I don't think it is a very bad thing, because now at least you are assured of being paid. We all know that online work is full of scammers. So if someone can protect you and assure you that you'll get paid for your services, even if they take a small fee, I think it's fine. Yeah. So that is what I can say, that it is a disadvantage if you want to look at it that way. So the third platform where you can find freelance work is Problogger. And like the two that I've mentioned, and like Upwork and freelancer.com, here you don't have to sign up. You don't have to create a profile. You simply go to problogger.com, and then you'll see several jobs listed. Your work is to select whichever that you think you can do perfectly and then apply to it. The good thing is that they have put the procedure for application is there. What you'll get paid for the work is also there. The details about the work is there. So when you are applying, you know fully what you are applying to, how much you'll get paid, and you also know how to apply. You simply apply for the job and then wait for the client to respond. Yeah, so that's it about Problogger. And then we go to, so number 3, guys, is LinkedIn. So Number 4, is it number 4 or number 3? Number 4, sorry. Number 4 is LinkedIn. So whether you are looking for an office job or freelance work, LinkedIn is a good place. We all know that. So when it comes to freelance writing or remote work, LinkedIn, you have to, of course, create a profile. And very important, you have to optimize your profile. If you are a content creator, if you are a freelance writer, you have to indicate that, okay? So that the people looking for freelance writers will be able to get you easily. Another thing about LinkedIn is that you can also put on the notification so that whenever a job is posted in your area, or for example, if you want to be receiving emails about freelance writing work, you put notifications on that so that every time a new job is posted, you'll be notified via your email. It is very important that you try as much as possible to apply among the first people to these jobs, because definitely you're not the only one who is looking for freelance work. Being the first one, and of course having a good killer profile, will put you in a better position of getting the job. Of course, you can go to, while still at LinkedIn, you can go to LinkedIn jobs and then search freelance writing jobs, or article writing jobs, or remote jobs, any other keyword that you can think of. You will find several jobs that you can apply to, several jobs, several companies you can apply to, and then apply and wait for the client to reply to you. So that's it about LinkedIn. The fifth one is Facebook groups. Now, guys, Facebook is not only for gossip and finding, I don't know, and finding friends. Finding friends, yes. Facebook can also be a place where you can find clients. So make sure that whatever you do on Facebook, also make it known to your connection that you are a freelance writer. What I always say is that if you are passionate about what you're doing, if you love writing, if you love content creation, every person that you meet should be aware of what you do. You never would know where the next client will come from, whether it is on Facebook, whether it is on Instagram, whether it is on Twitter. You can find a client anywhere. Yes. So you can also join. There are so many freelance writing groups on Facebook that you can join. If you are in Kenya, you can join Online Article Writers Kenya. You can also join awesome transcribers in Kenya. In those groups, there are always clients and of course freelancers. So make sure you join them and network, and you might just be lucky to find the next client. So the last one, number 6, is pitching. Now this one you simply go to Google. Whatever area that you want to write about, whether it is home improvement, whether it is technology, whether it is fitness, you can simply go to Google and type freelance work in a pregnancy niche. Where to find freelance writing jobs in pregnancy niche, or fitness, or any other. You'll be directed to websites or blogs that do these things. Whether it is a baby niche, whether it is a technology niche, you'll be directed to that website. Go to contact us page. Then throw in your pitch. Now, pitching is a bit hard. It can be discouraging at times, but now, like I said, you never know where the next client will come from. So simply keep on pitching, and you might just be lucky to receive a reply from one of these websites or blogs. So now, guys, that's it about where to find freelance work. One advice that I can give you when you are starting out: don't choose so much. Don't even niche down. You can write about anything and everything as you get your footing, so that maybe later on you can branch. Okay. Also, don't be too picky when it comes to rates, because what you need to do is to build a profile. Every client out there who is looking for writers, there are so many of them. There are so many people who are doing freelance writing. They want to see something that you have done before. So maybe when you're starting out, just work even for lower rates as you build your profile. Later on, you can increase, because now, of course, you'll have the confidence to demand higher rates. You'll also have somewhere to show your clients that you actually know what you're saying or what you're doing. And lastly, keep pitching, keep bidding, and keep looking for those clients. They are never enough, by the way. And for the mere fact that you're a freelance writer means everything is on you. So you have to continue looking for these clients everywhere that I have mentioned, and much, much more, because now, of course, there are many other places where you can find freelance work. There are sites that will want you to be from a specific geographical region. There are sites that accept freelancers from all over the world. Now it will be your choice. You'll be spoiled for choice, but make sure you apply to wherever and wherever you are accepted. Wherever you can apply, just simply apply. So guys, thank you so much for being here. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe if you haven't. Click the notification bell, and see you on the next video. Bye.